can't afford that. I cannot build an online business because I'm not techie. I can't make that offer. Do you ever find yourself saying things that start with I can't, especially when it comes to building your online business and attracting that tribe of dream clients to you? Well, as soon as you say I can't, you have decided there is a problem with no solution. So here is a one-word hack to reprogram your brain for success. And it's this. Every time you say I can't, stop and replace it with how can I? How can I afford it? How can I build this online business? How can I get someone else to do the techie stuff? How? Such a change, and it makes you the person who is in control of your destiny, because you got a lot to do, baby. Okay, go get them and let me know how you go this week.